Here are 4 ways. You how you can edit this. So the particular course that I took to be able to do this and to create a portfolio for myself, remember, you don't need people to order from you to create a portfolio. And I'm going to show you a trick that you can use after you've learned this to go and secure clients. This video, posted by Anthony Gallo from The Content Creators, is the personal tutorial and mentorship that I took to be able to edit like this. And I'm going to leave a link on the pinned comment down below to all the resources that you're going to get away or get for free from me in this video. So you can find that on the pinned comment, a direct link to this YouTube video, and he will teach you exactly how to edit like this. Come over to Instagram and find random podcast clips or random clips of people giving advice on camera. You can then go and edit those videos with the skill that you've learned in this video, with the overlays, the transitions, the sound effects, and you can start to build a portfolio for yourself. You can also then DM this page. Hey there, I just edited this video for you. Here's the before, here's the after. Post it on your page. Let me know how the engagement does. And what I recommend you do is come over to Instagram pages and edit their first initial clip completely for free so that this page can see your quality of work and can start to trust you. And it's a great way to start by making money online as a teenager. Way number 2. And this is one of my favorite ways of making money online: the power of content creation and funnels. You can come over to a website such as ClickFunnels.com and you can start creating funnels and sales funnel websites, webinar funnels, opt-in funnels, lead magnet funnels, product sales funnels, and sell them to businesses. Or you can create them for yourself and start promoting and selling digital products through these funnels. And this is personally what I do full time, is I run digital products through high value funnels that provide tons of value to my audience. One of my most successful funnels that generated over $100,000 in net revenue in 2024 so far with a simple lead magnet funnel that leads my leads to a webinar funnel where I have a free live stream with them, which then upsells them to a premium product sales funnel where they can upgrade to a paid product or an extension on the free value that I've given them. Here's an example of my opt-in page where I give away a free trading course that will teach you how to get funded in 12 months and generate consistent payouts. This page will then lead them to a free webinar funnel where they can register for a live stream. Now, the best part is about ClickFunnels.com is that you can import these done for you funnels completely for free on their free trial. All you need to do is redesign the pages by dragging and dropping your own text, your own pictures. ClickFunnels offers a free training course that will teach you how to use the platform in less than a couple of hours. They will teach you about every single feature that they have, how to design the funnels, how to create your own private membership areas, how to sell courses, how to sell products or services within your sales funnels, how to customize your funnel, and how to customize your own website. And there's two ways that you can make money with this. You can either go and freelance and sell these services to businesses, or you can sell your own products through these funnels. Personally, what I did before what I'm doing full-time now, I did this as a side hustle during school days and university days before I was 18 years old. I would design simple funnels and websites for businesses. I would come over to places like Facebook Marketplace and advertise my services and look for clients. I would also come over to Craigslist.com, list my services for really cheap, maybe $50 or $100 for a really in-depth website, delivering good quality at a cheap price to get as many orders as possible. And a lot of the times what I would do is, while Craigslist loads here, you'll see under the services section, you could go and create financial service websites and list your service in this category. You could go and create a beauty funnel, selling beauty products for businesses and offer this funnel to that particular business for them to get more sales. And this was a really great way that I used to make a couple $100 a week just designing simple funnels for businesses in my local area and internationally as well. Way number 3, drop servicing and high income skill arbitrage. Now, this is a fantastic and a really underrated way of building a massive business in today's world. You can actually go and sell high income skills and services. I'm talking about web design, coding, app development, AI services that businesses charge thousands of dollars for projects without actually doing the work yourself or without having to know anything at all. And a simple place that you can go and find these professionals that are willing to do these services for you that you can sell a huge markup is on Fiverr.com. So for example, if you want to sell AI chatbots to people or businesses and advertise them online, you can come over to Fiverr and outsource that work. So for example, if you're running a Google ad or a Facebook ad where you will create a chatbot for a business, an AI chatbot, and believe me, it's huge in demand at the moment, and you're charging $200 for that particular service, you can come over to Fiverr and pay someone on Fiverr $100 to do that same service, and you keep $100 as the man in the middle. When this provider on Fiverr.com is finished with the work, you just deliver that to your client. And remember, you don't need money to start with this simply because your client has paid you first. So you can just take the money from that and pay for the service on Fiverr. And you can do this with anything from graphic design, programming and tech, digital marketing, video animation, writing and translation, music and audio, business consulting, data services. So these are all high income skills and services that you can offer in your business or in your agency or as a freelancer to local people in your area on Facebook Marketplace, Gumtree, Craigslist, all those platforms where you can post free ads and offer these services that takes years to learn without knowing anything yourself. Back in the day as well, when I used to sell website services and I would get too many orders, I would often come to Fiverr and outsource a lot of my work. And it's a fantastic way of saving time and making money. Way number 4, my OG way of making money online. Did you know you can actually go and find free stuff on Facebook Marketplace? Just go and fetch it and sell it on Facebook Marketplace for a quick buck. Come over to Facebook Marketplace. On the left-hand side, you will see a category that says free stuff. Based on my location, you will see over here, free walkie-talkies. I mean, walkie-talkies, and these look like good quality Guard walkie-talkies where they just need a bit of a clean. You can go and fetch them completely for free and go and relist them on Craigslist or go and relist them on eBay. Go and relist them on Facebook Marketplace again at $20 or $30. Wait for a buyer to come. He will phone you or probably message you through the Facebook Messenger, send you cash or EFT it to you. You most likely will meet up with him. You secure your money and you sell the product. Over here is computer RAM sticks completely for free. You can go and fetch them, test if they work, just ask the seller if they are in working condition, or you can collect them for free and sell them as parts for $10 or $20 and make free money just doing that. Here's a free couch set. You can go onto eBay, go and list this couch set, take a couple of pictures, clean it up nicely, and sell it for $50 or $100. Great way to make free extra cash online as a teen in 2024. Here's another couch set. Here's a bunk bed. Here's another chair. Here's table and chairs. Here's old car tires. Here's a old TV, a Spider-Man toy, monster stickers, old PS4 games, an old vintage camera, an old car radio. So there's a bunch of junk that you can find on this website, collect for free, and then resell. If you guys want a far more in-depth free course on each and every one of these, how you could become a video editor and a thumbnail designer, how you can create these high-selling funnels through the power of selling your own digital products through content or creating those sites for businesses, and also another course on how you can drop service and sell these high-income skills completely for free without spending a single cent on this. I'm going to give you over, I think the value of this course that I created, I paid just over $290 for. The funnel course was just over $80. And the video editing course, okay, that's completely free, but still really insane value on each and every one of these skills. I will leave a link down below on the pinned comment with each and every one of these links in this order, 1, 2, 3, 4, and you can go and get them completely for free if you want to get started with this. I'm going to leave a video on the screen over here on my most recent funnel that I created 3 days ago that is now generating $400 every single month and scaling rapidly. This is a video and a documentary and a tutorial that I've posted completely for free on YouTube to help you get started. So without further ado, make sure to go and check out those links on the pinned description or click on this video over here, and I'll see you on the inside.